In the recent past, the nation has witnessed a series of fruitless talks between striking teachers and the government. And a day after Kuppet Union entered into a deal with the government that was rubbished by rival union KNUT, President Kenyatta, who has been vocal urging teachers to end the strike and engage the government, warned that teachers' union adamant stand that has seen it ignore a court order to call off the strike is setting a bad precedent.
We as government are willing to sit down and to look at your issues, but within the framework of the rule of law. Because if we were not to do that, what does that therefore mean? It therefore means that what we are encouraging and saying is that regardless of whatever a court rules, citizens do not have to obey. You don't have to obey. That is not something that is acceptable in a civilized democracy.
Kenyatta observed that the country's wage bill was worrying and it would not be prudent to hike teachers' allowances, which are already harmonized with that of other civil servants.
Talking about, our wage bill being hitting close, wage plus our recurrent expenditures hitting close to 70%. What are we leaving for the development of this nation? How are we going to be able to achieve the goals and the objectives that we have? You're asking for additional house allowance. Your house allowance is already harmonized with the rest of the civil service. Now, if we were to give you your house allowance, what do we do with the rest of the civil service?
With the teachers having anchored what would be the source of their pay on the proposed laptops for school kids, the head of state said laptop project was there to stay, adding that no serious government would divert development budget to recurrent expenditure.
For anybody to tell me that rather than borrow and invest in our children, invest in our school infrastructure, I should borrow money to pay somebody their salary, I think you've got your priorities.
And whether this time round teachers will heed to the president's call to resume work and engage in dialogue or not, only time will tell.